I don't need trust issues. I've got a dash cam and a just-in-case mindset.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we are coming to you from an unusual location today. We are in Morristown, New Jersey, and we are having a great time here. And today, we're checking out one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your vehicle, and something every driver should seriously consider: a dash cam. Whether you're daily driving, road tripping, or filming content, having a dash cam gives you that extra layer of protection, so if anything happens, you've got the footage. And today, we're putting the Pelsee S3 Ultra dash cam to the test. Now, this thing is loaded with high-end features: ultra clear recording, smart safety alert, full color night vision, and even a touchscreen interface with app connectivity. So we're going to go ahead and install this in Joe's truck and test it both day and night and dive into everything from setup to real-world performance. Let's get into it. Joe's not here. Roll the clip from Jacksonville.
Where speed meets innovation.
Okay, let's break down what makes the Pelsee S3 Ultra stand out. First up, video quality. This dash cam is powered by dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. It's got an IMX678 and an IMX675, delivering true 4K on the front camera and 2.5 out in the back. And that means crystal clear footage with serious detail. You can read license plates, road signs, everything. And you've also got a wide-angle lens, capturing multiple lanes and giving you full road coverage. Now let's talk about the touchscreen and menu interface, because this is something you'll use every day. The S3 Ultra features a smart touchscreen display, and it's super responsive. Now let's tap into the main menu. Right here you can access video settings, resolution adjustments, ADAS controls, and parking mode settings, Wi-Fi and connectivity options, and playback and saved clips. Everything is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. There's no complicated menus. You can swipe through recordings, tap to lock footage, and adjust settings right from the screen. And this makes a big difference compared to older dash cams with tiny buttons and confusing controls. Now let's talk about the ADAS safety features. You've got lane departure warnings, you've got forward collision alerts, and you've got real-time driving notifications. So it's not just recording, it's actively helping you stay safe. And out of the box, you also get a free 128 gig micro SD card, which is a huge bonus. And it includes a OBD hardwire kit, giving you 24/7 parking surveillance without complicated installs. And now for one of the biggest highlights, it's full color night vision. And thanks to those STARVIS 2 sensors, this camera can capture full color footage even in very low light, like when your car is parked or your headlights are off. And that's something most dash cams simply can't do. And finally, connectivity. This dash cam supports Wi-Fi 6, which means faster data transfer speeds when connecting to your phone. Now pair that with the Pelsee mobile app, and you can instantly view, download, and manage your footage. And yes, it even includes GPS tracking data, so you can see your speed, your location, and your route directly on your recordings. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the S3 Ultra here. You can see it's got a really nice box here. Here's some information on the side about the webcam, a lot of its features, and on the back, some more information about the features, some barcodes here, and then a picture of it on the side here with the STARVIS logo for the sensors. And then let's go ahead and open it up. And inside of the box there are two other boxes here. And inside of that, you have some cabling, some alcohol pads, some tools, and some other things to assist you with installing your dash cam. There is going to be a cable to run to the back for the back dash cam, and a couple of different power options there as well. Right there you can see your OBD power cable, very handy, very easy to install. And then you've also got some 12-volt options here as well, and they give you a cigarette lighter adapter. And there is the front camera for the Pelsee. That is the 4K camera, capable of 4K. And then also you have the rear camera there that goes in the back, capable of 2.5K video as well. And that's all that came in the box. All right, now let's get this installed in Joe's truck. First, we mount the front camera behind the rear view mirror. Nice, clean, out of the way, just right next to it right there. Now for power, we're going to use this included OBD cable. This is just one of the easiest installs you can possibly do. You just locate the OBD port underneath the dashboard, run the cable around and down the side window, and plug it right into the OBD port. There's no fuse box, no complicated wiring, and now you've got 24/7 parking surveillance enabled. And we route that cable nicely along the trim for a clean install. Now next up, the rear camera is going to get mounted. And remember, this one is 360-degree rotatable, so we can dial in the perfect viewing angle. We're going to go ahead and mount this right to the rear bumper, right by Joe's license plate. All right, now let's power it up. Now right away, you can see the wide field of view and sharp clarity. Take a look at that day footage, how clear it is in both the front and the rear. And now when we're ready to, we can connect the phone to the Pelsee and go ahead and download all the footage. We've got the Pelsee app already on the phone. We're going to open it up. We're going to connect to Wi-Fi 6, and just like that, we're in. And now check this out. The footage loads very quickly. That's the advantage of Wi-Fi 6, fast transfers, and no waiting around. You can also scroll through clips, download your videos, and even your GPS tracking data is there. Your speed, your route, and your location, all right there. And this is perfect if you need to review footage quickly or send it to insurance. All right, now for the night test. Take a look at this. Even though it's dark outside, the dash cam is still capturing full color footage. You can actually see details that are hard to pick up with your own eyes. And even parked here, it continues to record in color, even without headlights, and that's a huge advantage for security. All right, guys, final thoughts. The Pelsee S3 Ultra is seriously loaded. You're getting true 4K plus 2.5K recording, dual Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, full color night vision, a smart touchscreen interface, and Wi-Fi 6 with fast app connectivity, and finally, an easy OBD install with 24/7 monitoring. And this is more than just a dash cam, it's a full safety system. And if you want to pick one up, check out the link down in the description. And before we wrap this up, I want to say thank you. We just hit almost 290,000 subscribers. That's amazing. If you're not subscribed, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon and buy anything that you want from Amazon through any of our Amazon links in any video. We've got a lot more coming. Don't forget to interrupt the video to talk about something very important about the S3 Ultra dash cam. And that's the safety features. And that's what really stands out. And it's not about recording cool footage, it's about protecting you on the road. You get ADAS built right in. This means you get lane departure warnings and you get forward collision alarm warnings in case you get too close to the car in front of you. And this alone can help prevent accidents before they even happen. And there's that G sensor also. Now what that does is, the moment it detects sudden movement or impact, it locks the footage so it can't be overwritten. And let's not forget about that OBD2 connection, which provides you 24/7 parking monitoring and surveillance. Even when the thing is off, it is still watching, so if somebody bumps into your vehicle, tries something sketchy, or if anything like that happens, it is going to record it. And that cool night vision gives you the low light recording in dark parking lots, still capturing all the details. And of course, the GPS tracking data is part of the safety features. That's huge if you ever need to prove what happened in an event. Now back to the video. Don't forget about Second Car Street Racing. We've got more installs, more reviews, and more insane moments. And make sure you like and comment. We'll catch you in the next one. I'm headed right over here somewhere.